Hey there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bev, and I'm so glad that you've joined me here today. We're going to be talking about some of the products that have changed my skincare routine. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you hit those like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell to support my channel. As a disclaimer today, I want to tell you that I am not a skincare specialist. I am not an esthetician, and I am definitely not a dermatologist. Me in med school? I don't think so. But I am here to tell you about my experience as a consumer, and I recognize that we all have different skin types, so what may work for me may not work for you. And so the best thing is to take in all of the research that you can about these products, as well as consult a dermatologist, because they know better than anyone what may work and what may help you with some of the skin issues that you may be facing. The first product we're going to talk about today is a cult favorite, and that is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant with Salicylic acid. So I started using this back in February. I had read up about it online, and I also went through tons of YouTube videos learning from people that have used this, and also listening to dermatologists on YouTube that have talked about this product as well, and reading on literature. And it took me a while to make a decision to buy this because I really wanted to be informed about what it does. And I can tell you that this will forever be in my skincare routine. I'll never let go of it. I have a combination oily skin type, and so this was really helpful, particularly in areas where I'm oily, the T-zone and around this area, but also helping with any acne issues that I have from time to time. And so I initially out the gate, I used this way too much. I was using it every day, and while it says on the bottle, in fact back here it says you can use this once or twice daily, that did not work for my skin type, and I actually dried out really quickly. So now I've scaled it back a lot, and I only use this twice a week. So for instance, I use it on a Wednesday night, and then I use it on a Saturday night as well. And so that's the way I chose to do it because it worked for my skin. But essentially what you're going to be doing is you will take a cotton pad, you can use a reusable cotton pad, a cotton ball, you can also use your fingers, and you will be putting this on your skin, and you'll rub it around the entire face, and you'll leave it on so you don't take this off. I wear this at night, although it does say on the bottle that you can wear it during daytime, but you definitely have to wear a sunscreen with this if you choose that route. I found that it was easier to wear it at night because I wasn't worried about damaging my skin with the sun rays, and also it just didn't go very well under my makeup. That's just how it was for me, and so to take out an extra product in my morning routine that might mess up my foundation, I chose to do this at night. Now at first I had just put my moisturizer right on top of the salicylic acid, but what I like to do now is I actually wait about 10 or 15 minutes after I put the exfoliant on to let it soak in, and then I'll put on my moisturizer afterwards. Now here are the benefits that I've seen from using this product since February. I have noticed that my skin texture is better. I have gotten less breakouts over time, although I do still get the occasional breakout. This isn't a cure-all for that. I usually had used a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment, but I found that this overall can be really effective in nipping a lot of those acne spots in the bud. Do I use other products like retinol in my skincare routine that have helped me with my acne? Definitely, but I do think that this has also been a factor in helping me mitigate some of those breakouts along the way. What I like about this product is it's not drying to my skin, and it's not irritating. Now in the beginning of this video, I told you that I just jumped in when I bought this product, and I used it every day, and I was using it at night, and I did have irritation. But because I broke it up just 2 times a week for exfoliation, I've not seen those irritating side effects since then. And overall, it's been really great for my skin and helping me kind of balance out some of the issues that I had previously. I do think it's fair to say that this exfoliant helps to unclog pores, although I don't know if it really shrinks enlarged pores as it says here on the bottle, but I have found that it does unclog a lot of my pores, which goes back to why it helps me with my acne overall. But I don't know if I've seen a significant difference in the shrinking of my pores in any way, and that's something to note here as well. All in all, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something that just helps even out your skin tone and helps you with some of those acne problems that you may be having, and generally you just want to incorporate an exfoliant once or twice a week in your routine. this is a great one to start with. They have it in this bottle size, which is 4 ounces, and it is $29.50. There's also a smaller travel size, which is $10. The next Paula's Choice product that we'll be talking about today is the Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA with salicylic acid and antioxidants. So this also has salicylic acid like the liquid exfoliant, but it's a little different, and I'll show you why. This is more of a cream consistency, and you can put this all over your body. Not that you can't do that with the liquid exfoliant, but this is just a little bit different and absorbs differently than maybe the liquid exfoliant would. I started using this because I just had some minor bumps and irritation, and I wanted to see would this help with that. And it has helped. I've pretty much used this all over my body, and over time I found that it does help improve my skin texture, and it does get rid of some of those bumps that were previously there. What I love about this versus using the liquid exfoliant is it just has this wonderful creamy texture that is almost hydrating when I use it. I'm like, wow, not only is my skin being exfoliated, but it's also hydrating kind of cream. And that's what's great about this product. I kind of did research and I was curious, how would this help me, and will it really help me improve that skin tone on my body? And it really has overall. I've really been impressed with this, and I would recommend this as well. This retails at $28, and it is a 7 fluid ounce, so this is pretty big. And I've had this for quite some time, and I don't use it every day. I would say that I use this maybe once, maybe twice a week, but sometimes I just use it once a week, maybe even once every 2 weeks. So it just depends on kind of what you're looking for, but you definitely can't go wrong with trying this. And I can tell you that I had no irritation with using this. Now, I did ease into it, so I didn't go crazy with everyday usage, but by using it once or twice a week, I found no irritation whatsoever. I found this product because I was looking for something that would help me with some bumps and rough patches on my skin, those bumps being from using my razor, and rough patches from those winter months. And I thought that, why not try this? It seemed like it had really good reviews, and I haven't regretted it. I feel that this product has really helped me get rid of those bumps and those rough patches, but also even out my skin tone in certain areas. I use this on my arms and my legs and in other places on my body, and I found that it really does work and helps me in the long run. I think that overall, it says it exfoliates to reveal younger looking skin, softens rough and bumpy skin. It's done that for me, and improves texture and tone overall. I think it hits all of those boxes, at least from my perspective of when I've used this. If you want to learn more about this product as well as the liquid exfoliant, you can go to Paula Choice's website and read on some of the research that they talk about in regards to the ingredients in these products, and get a sense of some of the reviews regarding how effective they were and whether they met some of the marks that are listed on each of the bottles. Thanks so much for watching today's video about these 2 Paula Choice products. I love these products if you couldn't already tell, and if you do your research, consult a dermatologist, and think about whether these work for you, you might get some benefit out of them like I have. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell to stay in the know about my videos every week. Bye-bye!